Hold on to your glitter, kids! Sparkle the unicorn is about to take you on a wild ride. Once upon a time in Glitterville, there lived Sparkle the unicorn. Sparkle had one dream, to make friends all over the world. One day, she found a magical smartphone and decided to make fun videos to share her adventures. She danced in the rainbow fields, played pranks on the giggling fairies, and even showed off her glittery cupcakes. Guess what? Sparkle's videos went viral. Everyone from the pixies in the enchanted forest to the mermaids in the crystal lagoon were watching her videos. But Sparkle didn't just want to be famous. She wanted to spread joy and friendship. So she invited all her new friends to a huge party in Glitterville. They danced, laughed, and Sparkle even taught them her magical unicorn dance. So remember, kids, no matter where you are, sharing kindness and fun can make the whole world sparkle. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more magical adventures with Sparkle the Unicorn. Bye-bye.